Alrighty folks, ooh la la, let's take a closer look. Alrighty ladies and gentlemen, the entertainment center has arrived. This is a beaut, so stay with me. Let's get this thing out and put it together. Very well packaged as always, and as we get this out and put it together, top link, of course, just like all my videos, top link will be this exact same TV stand, entertainment stand unit. It will be linked, top link in the description box below, where you guys can read more about it and pick it up yourself after the video is done, of course. Let's get it out. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, looking absolutely fantastic, piecing it together, going quickly. Now, a little heads up for you here. Compact driver will be your friend right here. We got everything laid out. Instruction manual right here. Sliders, drawers, looking good. Let's go ahead and finish this up. Again, top link in the description box below will be two different entertainment centers. This is the tall one out of the two. It just has a little bit more height, and we will talk about that a little bit more in just a moment. Alrighty, folks, ooh la la, let's take a closer look. Alrighty, so again, this is the walnut color, and this is the taller one out of the two different sizes. So obviously I am in my unremodeled portion of the home, so bear with me. But this entertainment center will actually be going in my other room, my theater room eventually. But let's go ahead and get on into it. First and foremost, looking really sharp with the doors here, as we can see, and we can open this up. You have two shelves right here, 1 and 2 down here with nice tall, I believe those are about 6 inches, those pegs right there. And we're looking absolutely fantastic. Now, obviously, if you really want to, you can upgrade those to soft closes if you want to, and that would be anti-slam. So again, nice dark walnut look. I do need to pull off that number sticker for the parts. And then you have your center drawer here. Now in the middle as well as the right and the left. So obviously the right and the left are going to be the same thing. You have 2 holes in the back on your right as well with your left. Drawers, plenty of storage room there. And then we have our center area with a hole in the back for running electronic cords. And then you have your pull-out drawer right here if you want to conceal anything right in the middle there. Now, full dimensions, once again, will be linked in the description box below the video. I do love the slat door look to these. Makes it look very, very nice. And so that's going to look really sharp in my future theater room setup, which is around the corner in this part of the house over here. But in the meantime, we'll probably just go ahead and keep it right here and get that television off the ground right there. So overall, storage space, robotic vacuums can go underneath it. It's a good height. I like what I'm seeing. Looks really sharp, but just understand this is the same kind of material as IKEA. It's particle board. If you take care of it, it will take care of you, meaning I've had units like this for many, many years. And also, if you really wanted to, you could upcycle this with a drawer handle, champagne right there. That would look really sharp right on that middle drawer right there. So I'll let you guys play around with that idea. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same TV entertainment unit. Read more about it, pick it up yourself, but just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I'm making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. There also is a stand in the middle as well that's sitting on top of my vent grate, but not that big of a deal. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed. Tech review videos, DIY house projects, and more. My name's Chris. I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Once again, top link in the description box below is your link. We'll see you on the next one.